Welcome to the Parker Quick Coupling Division's how-to video series, where we review Parker's Quick Connect couplings. Screw-to-connect or thread-to-connect couplings allow you to connect and disconnect under pressure. The threaded design provides users the mechanical leverage needed to overcome pressure behind the valves and better control the potential surge flow that is associated with washing out O-rings when connecting and disconnecting under pressure. Screw-to-connect couplings are an ideal choice for high-pressure, high-cycle hydraulic applications, as the threads prevent accidental disconnection associated with vibration and movement during heavy-duty cycles. As with all quick connect couplings, they are made up of two parts, the male nipple and the female coupler. The male nipple typically has the external threads, while the female coupler creates the receiving threads on the interior of the sleeve. Both ends have ports, which come in various threaded connection types. In choosing the right product, it's critical to follow the stamp selection process. Each aspect of the stamp process needs to be reviewed, and information must be gathered to make sure you are selecting the correct coupling for your applications. Not all screw-to-connect couplings have the same connect or disconnect under pressure capabilities. Please review the Parker 3800 catalog for details of each product line's capabilities for proper product selection. Once you have chosen the correct coupling product, it's important to follow installation guidelines. Do not apply excessive torque. It can result in cracking or splitting of the female component. Ensure the system and interface are clean of contamination and debris. For other precautionary steps, visit Parker's safety sheet that can be reviewed in the QCD's product catalog. After ensuring the proper precautions are taken, you are able to install the couplings. To connect Parker screw-to-connect couplings, first align the male nipple external threads with the female coupler internal threads. Then screw the female threads onto the male threads. The number of rotations to fully connect depends upon which Parker series you are installing. Some series come with a visual indicator to ensure a full, secure connection. To disconnect, simply grab the sleeve on the female and unscrew it from the male nipple. Some of Parker's screw-to-connect couplings can disconnect with pressure in the line. After disconnection, it is good practice to cap and plug the couplers to prevent contamination and protect your products to make them last longer. As the global leader of quick connect couplings, Parker has solutions for almost every hydraulic application. Visit our website, parker.com/QCD, to learn more about our innovative and reliable couplings.